Hello guys, welcome back to our channel 0 to Infinity. So in this video I will tell you how to install Arceus X Roblox mobile. So many of you users facing problem while installing Roblox Arceus. So how to fix this problem I will tell you in step by step. Make sure you follow my all the steps and your problem will be solved in just 2 minutes. So please give me 2 minutes and your problem will be solved. First of all, you need to open your any browser and search here the browser name Arceus X Roblox. So you need to download it. So how to download it and what to do after downloading I will tell you in all the brief. So first of all, you need to go to their website and here you need to click on downloading option. So after you download it, you need to install it. So when you try to install it, it does not install in just one click. You need to retry 2 or 3 times, multiple times you need to reinstall it and your installation will be completed. So after that you need to enable it and all the keys that jams on your PC will be work now. So after installing your all the feature will be work now and your problem will be solved. I hope you like this video and make sure you subscribe our channel for more and more interesting and knowledgeable videos. Thank you guys.